The Crown Family School of Social Work, Policy, and Practice at the University of Chicago is where transformative education meets real-world impact. At the Crown Family School, we are redefining social work education, preparing leaders to take on society's greatest challenges. Recipients of our master's degree don't just serve communities, they drive change. Whether in direct practice, nonprofit management, community development, or policy reform. In addition to our core curriculum, students pursue 5 distinct pathway options that are designed to train students to work across levels of practice with individuals, organizations, communities, and government. The pathways include transforming justice and violence prevention, integrating health, mental health, and social care, disrupting poverty, economic inequality, and social exclusion, children and families in system context, and global health and social development. Each is designed to prepare you for leadership in critical areas of social work and social policy.
It was really an interplay of a variety of things that has enabled me to be most effective, connected to the research and the policy work and the leadership skills that I was able to develop, coupled with the clinical skills that I chose to focus on during my time. I think that all of that combined has really enabled me to be the most effective leader that I can be.
At Crown, learning extends beyond the classroom. Our field education program offers you unparalleled real-world experience, with students learning from professionals within more than 800 partner agencies in the Chicago area.
My experience at the Crown School really set me on a path. I chose the social administration track, and my second-year internship was in the West Side community of North Lawndale. And I worked for a decade in North Lawndale, and that all began because of my experience at the Crown School.
Our distinguished faculty at the University of Chicago are pioneering scholars and practitioners. Classes in the master's program foster a culture of critical inquiry that empowers students to create transformative solutions in policy and beyond.
What's really dynamic about Crown is that you're studying both macro-level approaches to social problems, and in my case, because I was in the clinical program, I was also learning a lot of skills related to direct services. And that's really very distinctive about social work. You're taking policy classes and you're taking clinical classes as a clinical student.
Through our education, students develop expertise in identifying and disrupting sources of social inequality, preparing them to have real impact in their community and their world.
Extremely grateful to receive the kind of trainings that I received here at Crown, because it allowed me to continue to be a critical thinker around the work that I was doing. It allowed me to tap into the network of alums and allowed me to also be mindful of the ongoing approaches that I was taking in community. As a result of that, if I think about my own career journey since the moment I graduated from here, I would say that a lot of it's been built not only or predicated from not only my own life journey, but just thinking about what I did learn and took away from the institution.
The Crown Family School offers flexible learning options, including full-time and part-time schedules to accommodate diverse student needs.
Being able to design my own program. So I was taking all those things to build up leadership, but ultimately all those things built up beyond leadership. It built up some critical and some technical skills that I'm also being able to utilize in my daily work.
The Masters of Social Work, Social Policy, and Social Service Administration at the Crown Family School, inspiring change to shape the future.